Okay guys, so we just checked out. Now we're heading to the train station. Get this coffee because I don't trust this pair of boots. Yeah, this is 150 yen. This was like 160. Cheers. Thank you, Diane, for the weather report from Ireland. Currently, Quang here at Shin Osaka Station, where people are currently taking the bullet train for their work commute. I am currently here because, well, I have a job to do, and that is to get you guys your daily report. Quang-san from Osaka, signing off. Okay guys, so we're currently taking off-beaten path to like a bunch of mini shrines. And yeah, okay, looks like it goes back to the main path. Oh my god. We're here in the center. Try to get to the top. Only an hour left. Arigatou gozaimasu, Quang-san. We are here currently top of Kyoto. Time is roughly 9:45. As you can see, there are no tourists here because they all gave up at the bottom of the gates, or at least a quarter of the way through. I'm currently a third of the way through. Weather kinda gloomy. Anyways, Q-san, sign off. Okay, so just found out that the entire audio was muted, which means I'm gonna resay everything, okay? So I wasn't expecting to come down that mountain so fast. And I think it's because on your way up, all these tourists are trying to take pictures, right? And obviously they don't want people in the back of their shrine or in the back of their photos, which is understandable. I wouldn't want that shit either. So me trying to be courteous, I stopped, keep stopping every like 3 minutes. Anyways, as you can see, all the tourists. I'm at the bottom. Yeah. The more tourists in the area, the closer you are towards the bottom. And that's just how all these tourist sites will go, especially the hiking ones, because most of them don't want to walk all the way up. Neither do I. Knees are weak, arms are heavy. Anyways, I somehow made it down in like 30 minutes. Right? So I have like an hour to kill before my train leaves. So I don't know what to do. Yeah, okay, we're gonna, yeah. This one's pretty. It's an octopus. Yeah, it's octopus. Beef, rice, tofu skin. Red meat, I think. Very salty. I don't know what it is. It's not me. It's like onions. Okay guys, so just arrived to Kanazawa station, and then I booked my Shinkansen train for tonight at 7, because last time I had to wait like an hour, so at least this time I have a time reference, right, which is smart. So now I'm gonna head to the garden. Okay, bus stop. I hope I am on the right train, because because I really don't know, about being honest. Alright guys, so just got off the bus stop, right? It's like 6-7 stops. Apparently I couldn't use my card, so luckily I had cash ready just in case, because you know these situations be weird. But yeah, so when I put in my cash, right, I thought that it would just need to change the exact change back. But apparently it's just a cash to change machine. like to coin machine, and then you have to put in the coins, which is only 200 yen. Okay, so just a heads up if you guys come.